Welcome to the Easy English Learning Channel.
Today we learn daily action verbs with sentence and pictures. Get back. To return to a previous location. She got back from her school in the afternoon. Pass out. To lose consciousness. After the accident he passed out due to shock. Move out. To leave your location. She was 16 when she moved out of house. Hang out. To spend a relaxing time. I love to hang out with my family at weekend. Stand by. To be ready or prepared to help. I believe he will stand by me during the difficult time. Take off. To remove or landing. She takes off her coat when she get home. Put on. Put on your shoes. Take out. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Run away. The thief had run away when the policeman came. Look after. Please look after my luggage for a minute. Tear up. Why did you tear up the contract letter? Pick up. Please pick up the bottles for recycling. Get up. She finds it very difficult to get up early. Fill in. Fill in your full details for appointment. Grow up. He will grow up into handsome boy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.